Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I just wanted to review my recent Amazon purchases, otherwise known as Amazon finds and favorites. Some are great, some I'm loving, and some are kind of like meh or fails. I have everything linked down below, including what I'm wearing, which is actually an Amazon find. Funny enough. And I'll have my Amazon storefront also linked below if you want to see more of my finds, and also my new Instagram. I know it's annoying, but if you haven't followed me on my new account, definitely do so. That's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. You know those super cute smiley face slippers that I recommend like during every holiday season? They became very trendy like 2 years ago. They came out with new colors of the smiley faces. Then like a few months ago I saw that they had the Bad Bunny hearts one on Amazon, but I was not expecting this to happen. Can you believe? I saw these and I ran, like I wanted the next day delivery. They are so darn cute. You know, if you know me, if you know my channel, I love evil eyes. They remind me of my grandma, and I just like buy them on everything, like in every chance I get. So when I saw these I was like, oh my god, I literally just took them off my feet because I couldn't stop wearing them. They're just as comfy as the other ones. They have a hard sole. I love these. They were less than 20 bucks, so I had to snag them up. I got a size 6.5. I'm usually a 7, and these fit perfectly. Also, I needed to show you all these. Like, such a good way to display your Polaroid pictures, or such a cute gift, especially because teenagers and like Gen Z love Polaroids. Well, it's these magnetic frames that obviously act like fridge magnets, and then you just stick your Polaroid in there, and they come in different packs, like size packs. How freaking cute is that? This is definitely going to be like one of my top recommendations for gifts next year, or this year I guess. So inexpensive, such a cute way to look at your pictures, and to have fridge magnets that aren't too small for your toddler. I wore this knit top the other day, and it's the prettiest thing I've ever gotten off Amazon. It's the thickest, nicest material. Like if you put like a J. Crew or Madewell tag on this, I would believe you that it was like over $100. It's so affordable. It comes in the prettiest colors. This light periwinkle blue is calling my name. I love the detailing. Like, look at those sleeves. Y'all, this is just the nicest top. I love it for spring. I think it's a perfect transitional piece, and like I said, I will be coming back for more. They have colorful ones, like pastel ones, but they also have really pretty neutrals that would be great year round. I could not resist these cutie tops. They're the same but in 2 different colors. I got it a size small, and I will say it does fit me pretty well. It's like the cutest like little baby doll style, and it's knitted and then it's embroidered. So pretty. I love this one just like as a basic with denim, and then this one just screams like the 4th of July to me. I don't know why. I'm so happy with these. They come in so many colors. I cannot believe I haven't talked about this. I think I've had these since November, and they are such a game changer. They are magnetic measuring spoons, and they come with this leveler, and that way you can just stack them all together. This would be a great gift for Mother's Day for a mom or a grandma. I love the brass color, but they do have different colors and different finishes. They're great quality. I've put them in the dishwasher. They're still looking nice and pretty. And then this one is like a little bit longer. It's great for baking and cooking. I love these, and I really want to get the measuring cups version of this as well. For $9, it's a steal. There's this brand of hand sanitizer that they sell at Revolve and Sephora that for some reason it's $15 for 1 bottle. I got this pack of 6 from Amazon for $13, and you can fill it up with your own hand sanitizer. So this is what it looks like. This one has a silicone cover and a keychain, which is so convenient, and it comes with all the stuff you would need to fill it up. I just put the liquid hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's. Isn't that great? I think it's just so much more convenient, and I love the fact that I can use my own and refill it whenever I need to. So now I have 2, one in my keys, the pink one, and then this one in my office, and I'm gonna give the rest to like friends and family. Shockingly, I don't buy a lot of gadgets from Amazon. It's just not something I constantly look for, but this has completely changed the game. My phone is always running out of battery, so I got this off Amazon. I have the pink one. This is my husband's, and my mom has a white one. Okay, it's a double-sided portable charger. So it has like an iPhone cable, and then it also has these, so I could charge like my iPad and my headphones. Right here it tells you how much battery it has, but the best part is that you don't have to carry any extra cables to charge it, like the actual portable charger itself. Just plug it into the wall. It's always on sale, like always. I think I paid 23 bucks for like all of these, and they would make, number one, the most amazing gift. I already gave my mom one. Number two, like just the best thing to carry around in your purse on the go, the best travel accessory. I just love how convenient it is, and the battery actually lasts forever on it. I'm constantly charging my phone now. TikTok is constantly influencing me to get aesthetic toddler toys, and I usually pass on them, believe it or not, but when I saw this, I knew I had to get it for her. Olivia is right now like learning her colors and how to put things like to match the colors. This is like 20 bucks from Amazon. It comes with the wooden stand, and it also comes with these wooden colored pencils. They're actually great. I just love how nice it is, how convenient it is that she can actually like use it for coloring, but also to learn her colors. I think it's just such a cute, unique thing that I've never really seen before, and for 20 bucks it's really a steal. It's gonna be very clear that I bought this just because of the aesthetic. This is like a first aid box, and it doesn't come with anything on the inside, by the way. I was expecting it for some reason to be filled with like first aid things, like at least like a pack of band-aids. This thing was 30 bucks. A few cons: the price, the fact that it doesn't lock, and I have a toddler, so that's inconvenient. I ended up putting band-aids in the top tray, and then inside it's like a big mess. But I do like it. I think it's nice. It looks beautiful, but I just don't know if I should keep it. Please let me know what you think I should do. Should I return it for something that maybe it's less aesthetic but at least locks and has more storage, because it's also kind of tiny? I don't know. I am leaning towards return. I feel like some people either love truffle and could have it with everything, or they absolutely despise it. I love truffle. Give me all the truffle. That being said, I got this black truffle sea salt from Amazon. It comes in this huge bag, and you just fill up one of these grinders. This is also from Amazon, and you can see the pieces of actual truffle in it. And y'all, I swear I put this on everything. I don't care what my husband says. It tastes so good. It's like actually good quality salt, and like the truffle is just a 10 out of 10 for me. So if you're a big fan of truffle, I highly recommend. I don't know how to feel about this pre-workout. I just had to talk about it. I got this because I ran out of my Alani Nu one, and let me be honest, I still think Alani Nu has a great pre-workout. It's like one of the best ones I've tried. However, after taking it like almost every day for 6 months, it has become like less effective. So I decided to give a new product a chance, and I got this one from Amazon by RSP, and this is the pink lemonade flavor. And honestly, I don't know if it's the flavor or the actual pre-workout. Like, I don't know if they have better ones out there, but this flavor makes me want to gag. It's so gross. It's like not a good pink lemonade flavor at all. But that being said, I am kind of like because the price is basically half of what Alani Nu is. This is like 27, Alani Nu is like $39.99, so 40. So that's a pro, and then it actually really works. I feel like the kick right away. I work out better when I take it. I don't know if it's because, like I said, the Alani Nu kind of like lost its effect because I've been taking it for so long, or if this one is just like an extra, you know, like energy, power, pump, whatever. So I just wanted to give you all that review because I learned recently that this is like the pre-workout that Alex Earl uses. So I was like, I guess it must be good because she's beautiful and stunning and, you know, fit. But to me, this flavor is really not it. All my dogs, but especially Bolt, have really bad like stomach issues, digestion issues, and my vet recommended giving them some sort of probiotic. I tried the 40 Flora one so many times and it never worked, and they also, I guess, did not like the taste very much. So I was sent this recently, probably like almost 2 months ago now. It's probably like mid-February. It's the Meaningful Tree Super Pet Total Health extra olive oil powder with prebiotic fiber. Holy crap, that's a mouthful. The point is, it's this powder supplement that you just sprinkle on top of their kibble or their wet food, and y'all, I swear to God, I've noticed such a difference. Both got into some of Olivia's food the other day, and that's usually like truly a recipe for disaster. That means that he'll have diarrhea like for a week straight, and I swear to God, it has to be this. He didn't get any diarrhea. So if your pups also suffer from a sensitive tummy, highly recommend. I think it's definitely worth it. It has like a bunch of like really good ingredients. Says it's good for their heart, their gut health, promotes skin, coat, and joint health, which Skippy desperately needs, like joint supplements and things like that, and that it's like a healthier alternative for them. So I definitely recommend it. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed these, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to watch more, I have an entire playlist. I have my Amazon shop. I post Amazon like reels and TikToks on Instagram and TikTok. So this is the channel to be if you like Amazon and you're also addicted to watching these videos. I have so many more coming, so stay tuned and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.